How to buy Sage Union token. So this token came under the symbol of Sagio or Sagio. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see here, this token, it's available on MEXC. You can buy it on MEXC. And first of all, open your MEXC account like that. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account on MEXC to benefit from yours and fund your account with some USDT. Now, that's what you need to do in the search bar. Now type the Sagio or Sagio. So after that, click on this pair that have USDT. Now after that, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now what you need to do here is set the amount that you want to buy like that, as you can see. And here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy Sagio. Now if you, in a few seconds, this token will be added to your account. So this is how to buy Sagio token or Sagio token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.